Hello everyone, welcome to PB's Garage, and today is a special one, as y'all can see. It's actually a different one. This is a Suzuki Samurai. It's like an 80s and 90s. I don't remember the year, but yeah. I'm going to be making a video series of me trying to get this to run and drive. Not really sure how I'm going to do it yet. I don't really know anything about these kind of Japanese cars. Or, you know, stuff like that. Oh my god. Oh, I'm too big for this thing. Yeah. Pretty dirty in here, but nothing too bad. Looks like it has factory AC. That is not a factory radio, but yeah. Don't know what that is. Lights. Don't know what that. I don't know what any of this stuff does. I think. It does. Actually, I should not try doing the wipers when there's no wiper blades. I'm pretty sure this works. Yeah. Pretty cool. Huh? But I just figured out how to open the gas cap. I was having trouble with this earlier because... Whew. That doesn't smell... Hold on. Whew. I mean, it doesn't smell that bad, but they have another varnish. Smelling. It does not smell delightful. No, I don't like these gas cap with locks on. Makes everything harder. Anyways. Oh, I guess let's go back from this stuff. Let's see what works on the outside of the car. Right blinker works on the rear. Oh, and on the front. Okay, cool. Okay. There it goes. Click it. Nothing going down. Works. And works. All blinkers work. It's just headlights. I don't know how to work that. Maybe? I don't know what I turned on. It didn't do anything. What are you doing? Is there anything else for lights? Okay, well, okay. I was gonna see brake lights work, but I don't know. How am I gonna do that? Oh, mama. Whoops. Ugh. Yeah, I don't know how that works. Okay. Still some cigarettes in there. Oh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Brake light's always on. Yeah, there's like literally no brakes. Clutch maybe. Okay, this thing has 65,000 miles, maybe? I don't know. Says the gas, there's actually a good amount of gas in here. Radio works last time I thought it did. I don't know what worked with the cassette tape. Okay. Great. Yep, the hood latch. Oh wait, it's already open. Whoops. Okay, I might turn this off. Oh. Okay. I don't remember. I know just to move it, we just put a starter fluid on. Oh. It's not too bad in here. I mean, it's pretty dirty, but I mean, there's liquid. Was liquid in there. I don't know how to work on these old cars, or on these. Oil is not too shabby. Could be better. No, well, it's pretty much full, so I'm gonna take that back. What else? Yeah, original jackets. That's pretty cool. Brake fluid. Oh, I've never seen that before. It's bone dry. I mean, not that dry, but definitely gonna need some brakes. What else? I would check trans fluid, but I don't even know where the dipstick for that is. Like I said, I'm completely new with this car. The only person that's worked on it is my dad and my grandpa. That's pretty much it. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry I remember because I helped him start it. The oil actually looks pretty clean, so I'm not gonna bother with that. Not to at least. There's a bird. I'm gonna crank it just to see what happens. cranks. That's cool. Okay, that's all I really needed to know for now, at least. Next video, I'll be actually trying to get this to run right now. I just wanted to see the condition. I mean, to be honest, there's barely any rust. I mean, here and there, but turn the key off. Yeah. Next video, I'll probably either have my friends or probably not my friends. My grandparents don't like when there's other people. So, probably my dad and me are gonna try getting this running and driving. To be honest, I think it's more or less just fuel. The fuel smells pretty bad. I mean, not super bad, you know, but pretty bad. So, figure that out. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. This is, like I said, gonna be a new project. This is not gonna be a road car, more or less. This is just gonna be basically a work truck with a work Jeep kind of thing, I guess. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.